This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is an all-in-one platform to create a beautiful online presence and build your business. Hey, it's Igor from Inspired to Make. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cool bracelet out of metal washers and leather. For this project, I'm going to use 12mm washers and a soft leather. First, I'm going to cut a few strips out of my leather. The strips should be a little wider than a hole in the washer. For my bracelet, I'm going to use 2 strips. If you have a longer piece of leather, maybe around 2 feet long, you can skip the next step. I'm going to glue those pieces together to create a longer strip. So now when we have a strap that is 2 feet long, we can make our bracelet. Start by putting the 2 washers on a strap. Leave a couple of inches at the end. Next, feed the longer end of the strap through the first washer. And then through the second one. We created our first section. Feed the next washer through the longer end of the strap and repeat the loop. Keep in mind the orientation of the washer. This washer is die cut, so it has one beveled side and one sharp side. I always feed the washer to the leather strap sharp side forward. Bring the washer, make a loop, and loop it again. Continue this pattern until you'll reach the desired length. Now when the bracelet is ready, I'm going to show you how to make a simple buckle to close it on the wrist. Find the end of the bracelet when the leather strap is coming up from the washer. Put 2 washers on this end and loop around like you did before. To close the bracelet, put the other end of the strap through both of the washers and through the bottom one. That's it, the simple buckle and your bracelet is finally done. And before showing my bonus bracelet, I made without using any leather, I want to tell you about Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform where you can easily build a beautiful website. No coding or web development experience needed. From day one of starting my YouTube channel, I have chosen Squarespace to create my own website, inspiredtomake.com. It took me just a few hours to create a kick-ass website. I have features such as an online store, powerful analytics, and email marketing. Typically, all of this would cost me thousands of dollars if I hired a developer. But with Squarespace, it's really simple and anyone can do it. Start your free trial now and get an extra 10% off by using the link in the description. So back to the bonus tip. Using this method, I was able to create similar bracelets out of paracord and a polyester strap.